Assalamu alaikum. All right, this is the question of chapter 2, first year, real and complex number system for ECAT examination. This is the question given to you, and these are the options: option A, option B, option C, and option D. What you have to do is to calculate the values. How you will be doing? You know that iota equal to under root minus 1, iota square is equal to minus 1, iota cube is equal to minus iota, and iota 4 is equal to 1. Okay, these are all being derived, and then these values are being concluded. All right, so I am just directly telling you the values of these iotas with the powers and with only power 1, which is iota. So now breaking the powers of these values, how we will be doing, how we can break the value of iota power 12. Look, you can break it like 2 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So we have break this value of iota 12 into iota square and power 6 plus iota cube. In a similar way we can do this for iota 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, so we can write it like this: iota 16 iota square power 8. 2 multiplied by 8 makes 16. Now how we will be breaking iota 17? Look, iota 16 dot iota will make iota 17, because bases are same, then power will be at 16 plus 1 is 17. So I have just break this iota 17 into iota 16 and iota 1. So now we know the value of iota square is minus 1. Putting the values: minus 1 power 6 iota cube value is minus iota power is 5 plus minus 1 power is 8. Iota square is minus 1. So now we will break iota 16 into, like we have done for this one, iota square multiplied by 8 dot iota. Minus 1, if a minus is given in the bracket and its power will be even, so minus get disappears. So we will not be writing here minus sign, so only 1 will be here. If there will be any odd power like 7, 9, 3, 5, so minus cannot disappear from here. Okay, only in that condition, when there is a even power on minus sign, then minus disappear from that. Okay, so plus minus iota power 5, so it will be minus iota power 5. Now for minus 1 and the power is also even, so minus will disappear, only 1 will appear here, and iota square is minus 1. Okay, putting the value minus 1 here, and power will be 8, and it will be iota. Okay, so now 1 plus 1 is 2. We have to solve it further. Okay, we will be breaking iota power 5 into iota cube iota square. Both bases are same, then power will be add. If we add the power 3 plus 2, that makes iota power 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. I have write it here, this minus sign here. I have break this iota 5 into iota cube plus, and minus 1 power 8 will make it positive plus iota. Okay, now what is the value for iota cube? Iota cube is minus iota, look at here. So 2 minus iota in place of iota cube, minus iota cube minus iota. I have put it here, minus iota in place of iota cube, and iota square is -1. I will be putting -1 here. Okay, plus iota. Now 2, I have written 2 here, same. Now minus and minus multiplied by minus will make it positive, and then positive multiplied by minus, it will make again minus. So it will be minus iota this whole term and plus iota this one. What we can cancel both of them, and the answer is 2. So the final answer this question is 2, B part.